Hey friends, I am in the middle of packing up for our annual trip to the beach. Every year we go to the beach with my husband's family. It's a tradition. We are not big vacationers, not big travelers. One day I hope to travel more, but for now we enjoy our one big vacation for the year. As it works out this year, me and Autumn, my oldest, and Renee, my second to youngest, are gonna go first. And we're going to be there one night before everybody else comes. Three of the kids, Talia, Charity, and Levi, have soccer games, their very first soccer games on Saturday. And so they didn't want to miss that. So my husband's staying with them, taking them to their games, and then they will join us at the beach after that. So Renee and Autumn and I will have some fun time to ourselves. We'll also be able to go to the store and get the last few things we need for food while we're there, and it will just be a really fun girls road trip. So we're super excited about that. So packing up to leave tomorrow. We are trying to not spend a ton of money on food and eating out. So I am trying to pack as much as I can from home. We've stocked up our pantry and our freezer so much the last several months, just with how things are going in the world. Stocking up on food is a great choice. And now I'm just trying to take as much of that as I can for food at the beach house instead of buying it there. Of course, can't do that with everything. There's still perishable stuff that I will be purchasing there, but we're going to try to do as much as we can from our stock here at home. This is my very messy list and meal plan. I just put down ideas for breakfasts because everyone kind of gets their own, so I just wanted to get all that and then people can get what they need. I'll probably cook some eggs one morning, cook up some sausage, bacon, whatever. Lunches, I'm just keeping super simple. Gonna do sandwiches, gonna have, sandwich meat and sliced cheese, then also some peanut butter and jelly. So anybody that wants that can have that. I have some egg white bread made that I'll throw in for me and for my husband if you want some. And then dinners, I'm only planning for 3 big dinners because there's one day where we know we're going to go out to eat. And that usually is how it works out. We do one dinner out and then the rest we have there. It's kind of a shorter trip this time. Sometimes we'll go for a full week. This time, Renee and Autumn and I will be there for about 4 days and everybody else will be there about 3 days. So I'm going to do stuff for tacos one night, just bringing ground beef and all the fixings for that. Another night we're going to do some steaks. I'm bringing my little air fryer and I do my reverse sear steaks. So I'll cook them for a while in the air fryer at a low temperature and then do the quick sear on the stove. And then we'll just do salad with that. I'm going to bring stuff to make blue cheese dressing. So we'll have steak and blue cheese salad. That'll be delicious. And then I'm also bringing burger patties. We typically don't in this family eat burgers with buns unless I make egg white buns. But everyone's pretty accustomed to just eating a burger patty, with cheese on top or with bacon or whatever. So I'm bringing a pack of Costco burger patties, and those are really easy to cook in the air fryer from frozen. So one night we will do the burgers, and then I'll also bring some hot dogs that we can fry up on the side. And we'll have some veggies with that. I have some bell peppers and might pick up cucumbers and stuff at the store. So that is the plan. Most of this stuff I will be able to get, pack from the stuff we have here at home. I have I already got that, so I can check that off. I do need to buy a few things, and I'm thinking that I will probably run to the store when we're out and about on Saturday before everyone else arrives, because we're going to do some fun stuff, me and the girls, on that Saturday, and we'll probably just run to the store. There's a Fred Meyer there in town, and be able to pick up the last few things we need. And with that, we will be set. So absolutely perfect timing. Carnivore Crisps just sent me a shipment. Super excited about this. If you guys remember last year, right at the beach house trip, is when they first sent me product and I was able to try them for the very first time. I did a review of Carnivore Crisps on the beach. I have been enjoying them ever since. Such an incredibly clean, delicious snack. And I'm finding that they're working well in recipes. So I did the blackberry goat cheese, crostini made with Carnivore crisps, and that was fun. And I'm excited to work on some more like dips and different things because you can use these like chips. So I'm super excited. This, of course, is for Izzy. Actually, the beef organ blend we've had, and it tastes delicious. I tried it, and I actually really, really liked it. It doesn't taste like livery very much, even though it has plenty of grass-fed beef liver in there. But they're like little burger patties, and they're really good. Like, I would totally eat them for a snack, not even think twice. You can see the tagline, human grade dog treats. So good. Couple of chicken skin, which are incredible. Couple of pork loin. I love these. They're super lean for like just a chip substitute. Like if I'm doing guacamole or something, I don't want like a super fatty chip. Even pork rinds can be a little bit too much with something like guacamole or cheese dip or something. But these are nice and lean and crispy and perfect for like dipping. I have round, same thing. This is a lean one. I tend to like the lean ones a little more. They're more like chips. Beef liver. You guys know I'm trying to get my iron up, or keep my iron up, after I had been deficient for a long time. I got my iron infusion, and now I just need to rely on good nutrition to keep my iron up, and this definitely will come in handy for that. Okay, these are new. I'm so excited. I've been seeing these all over social media, and I'm excited to try them. Bison crisps. I'll definitely let you guys know what I think about those. Beef brisket, big bag, and a couple bags of the chicken breast. These ones also are great because they are lean and perfect for like a really crispy chip for dipping, especially in those fatty dips. Oh, so excited about all these. Again, perfect timing for this because these make great like packable snacks and food for trips. It's going to be a bit cooler over at the beach than it is here, and I've got to say I'm super excited about sweater season. I love sweaters so much. I also wanted to show you guys these. I'm going to be taking a bunch of these along. They are Keto Bars, and actually Perfect Keto is partnering with different brands of good quality keto products and bringing them to like a keto marketplace, which is super exciting. So this is like the newest addition to that. Keto Bars have been around for a long time. And they have super clean ingredients. I was actually super impressed with the list of ingredients. Sometimes you turn the bars over and you're like, oh my gosh, it's as long as my arm. But with the Keto Bars, it's very minimal, actually. This is the dark chocolate coconut almond, and all of them are chocolate and coconut and almond. So this is like the basic or the plain one. And then this is chocolate peanut butter. This one's my favorite. This one is the mint chocolate ingredients. Chocolate liqueur, dried coconut, almonds, erythritol, cocoa powder, water, coconut oil, salt, and stevia. That is it. And I was like, wow, I love that list of ingredients. I wonder if it tastes terrible. Because a lot of times all those extra ingredients make things taste pretty good. But I was actually super impressed with the flavor and the taste of these. I have been enjoying them. I have found that I'm able to tolerate almonds and erythritol a little bit better now. And there could be a few different reasons for that. I expect part of it is the athletic greens I've been taking have really, really helped my gut and my digestion. And so I've been dabbling more than I had been with coconut and almonds. So I've been eating like a half of a bar here and there as a special treat and doing really well with that. A couple things to note about these is that they are plant-based, vegan products. They don't have any, collagen like a lot of the Perfect Keto products do. So if that's something important to you, there's that. It doesn't have a ton of protein because there isn't any animal products in it. So I kind of see these more as like a little dessert or a treat. It's not necessarily meant to be a meal replacement bar. They're very high fat. I mean, they really taste like a fat bomb. I thought, like I said, the chocolate peanut butter was my favorite. It is absolutely delicious. And it really reminded me of a no-bake cookie. You know, those old no-bake cookies with the oats and the peanut butter and the chocolate. that's what this tastes like. Enough talking. I think I will try to get a taste test of these from some of my taste test panel so that you guys can get, a good review. What I say only goes so far. You guys need a little bit more than just my word on it. So I'll try to see who's available to give these a taste. You like those two the best? Do you like the peanut or the mint better? Peanut? I told you that was the best one. Okay, you ready to try some of these bars?
Yes.
Okay. This first one over here is just the dark chocolate almond. It's like the plain. Try that.
That's good.
All right, the next two, this one here is mint, and this one is peanut butter. Two things you love.
Mint is definitely gonna be my favorite.
You think so? Well, you haven't tried the peanut butter yet. Okay, last one, peanut butter.
I like peanut butter, but mint is my favorite.
Mint is your favorite, all right. How many thumbs up do you give the mint?
10.
Okay. How many for the peanut butter?
Peanut butter, 5.
So 10, 5, and then dark chocolate coconut almond?
3.
3. All right. Thank you. Izzy, those are not for you. So I'm getting non-cold stuff packed up because I can do that tonight, and I'll pull the cold stuff out of the fridge and freezer tomorrow. But I'll just show you a little bit of what I got here. Bringing some Waterloo for fun drinks. Some the Siete tortilla chips for our taco night. Let's see. We got the jam for the peanut butter and jelly. Some salad dressing that I had that I thought I'd bring for the salad. I'm making the blue cheese dressing, and then we'll have Caesar also. Some mustard barbecue for the burgers and stuff. Cooking oil spray, avocado, honey for tea, mostly for tea. Pepperoni, kids love to just eat this, the way it comes. I'm bringing my Keurig for life to be easy with making coffee, so I have some coffee pods, decaf and regular. I'm bringing a jar of my favorite garlic jalapeno olives from Trader Joe's. Peanut butter for the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I got some bedtime tea for myself because I always have trouble sleeping when we're away from the house. So it's always nice to have some bedtime tea in the evening. My husband wanted to have some yerba mate tea while we're there. Some horseradish mustard for the burgers and hot dogs. Then we have the black beans for taco night, as well as some olives for taco night. In here, I've got taco shells for the kids for taco night. Now, Renee has decided recently that she's obsessed with tea. She loves tea and honey, and she will make herself cups of tea during the day. And so she picked out some of her favorites, and she asked me earlier, what was that tea that Peter Rabbit likes? And of course it was chamomile. So she grabbed one with chamomile and some honey lavender stress relief. She's got so much stress in her life. She's got to have some soothing serenity tea. So that's hers. A laundry soap, because there is a washing machine there that we will always need since we will be at the beach with sand and water and children. These I found at Grocery Outlet for pretty cheap. They're the RX brand, just oats. So it's got egg whites, almonds, dates, oats, and no BS. I just have to be careful because Levi can't eat this because it has eggs. So I got 4 of those, I think. Yeah, 4 of those. And then got some hot chocolate for the kids for cold nights and cold mornings at the beach. This was the instant oatmeal I got for free at Bob's Red Mill. The kids will have that. Some granola for the kids. They'll either have it with yogurt or with milk. And then this is my seasonings. I got this last year before we went to the beach, and I absolutely loved it. It just makes it so much easier to pack a few different seasonings. I have some footage of filling it up because I thought it was so incredibly satisfying. So I will share that with you guys. But I have salt, Redmond seasoned salt from right to left. Salt, of course, Redmond real salt. Redmond seasoned salt. The yellow one is lemon pepper, Redmond, of course. The orange one is Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. The red one is chili powder, and the black one is black pepper. Now here we have tons and tons of snacks, so many snacks. We like to get special food when we go to the beach, and over the years I've tried to have it be healthier and healthier, but still be special and still be fun. So we've got some keto things, some not keto things. The whole family is not keto. I'm the only one that's, keto full time. So that's how it goes around here. But the kids love the Mallow Munch from Perfect Keto. So got some of those. They like the chocolate and the regular the best. So I had stocked up on those at their last big sale. Of course, I got my Keto Bars in here. Got some Made Good granola bars for the kids. Definitely not keto, but the ingredients are not horrible. Renee loves seaweed snacks. Talia likes them too. Some of the other kids like them, but Renee especially. So we have a pack of seaweed snacks for her. All right, the rest of this stuff I got at Grocery Outlet for some really good deals. I saw these. It's like a nut and cheese mix that's smoky barbecue. I thought my husband might enjoy this. I don't eat a lot of nuts, although I have been eating more of them recently, but I try to keep it to a minimum. I've been really glad that I've been tolerating them better than I used to, so that's exciting. So I might eat a little bit, but it'll just be nice to have some little snacks. My husband has been eating more and more low carb and less, junky grains and stuff, and so I thought he might enjoy having something a little bit fun and munchy. So I got the smoky barbecue. Then I also got the tangy ranch. They also had garlic and herb, I think. But I didn't grab that one because my husband doesn't like anything that's too garlicky. So we'll try those, see how they are. These were at Grocery Outlet for super cheap as well. I love the Alter Eco chocolate. They have some great options, and they have some keto options now. This one doesn't specifically say keto, but it is pretty low carb, 3 grams of sugar per 2 pieces, which is not terrible. It's definitely not sugar-free, but it's a pretty good option. So grabbed a couple of those, and they were cheap. Yeah, usually at like New Seasons, they're very expensive. So I was excited to see them for cheap. Okay, and then these two are the Partake brand cookies, and these are allergen friendly. And they sometimes have them at Grocery Outlet, so I like to pick them up when I see them because Levi is allergic to eggs. So typically, if there's a cookie, he cannot eat it. But these ones, they're made with, buckwheat flour, cassava flour, oat flour, tapioca. So they're definitely not keto, no question about that, but they're not refined wheat either. So for a special treat, for our once-a-year vacation, we got some pumpkin spice cookies and some double chocolate brownie cookies. And I was excited to see these at Grocery Outlet too, because they were very cheap there. Of course, snacky foods. I have my Carnivore crisps. I probably won't take all of these, although I'm so tempted to, because I just want all of them all the time. But I will pick out a few bags of those, throw them in, and I think we'll be set on snacks. For sure. So I am going to get this all packed up, and then in the morning, right before we leave, I'll go through the fridge and the freezer and get out as much of that as I need and see if we can actually fit it in the car.